Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Talent Zone. In the previous videos we have seen different types of papers, KCet papers. In this video we are going to discuss or see regarding the computer science applications. This is a second paper here. This is the second paper, computer science and applications. Today we will let us discuss regarding the 100 questions which are there in this second paper. The first question here is the product of two negative real number is not a negative is given by here the first answer will be the option D. Next, let P of xy be the statement and x likes y where domain for both x and y includes all the people in the world. Express allies liked by everyone using the quantifiers. Here the answer option A is the right answer. In the third question here is equivalence class representatives for the congruence 45 which belongs to 3 mod 7 is, and answer is option A. Next question here is consider the ordering relation A-B which belongs to n cross n over a natural number n such that n-B if there exists C belongs to n such that A star C is equal to B, then here the option is D, that is n comma this bar which is a representative is a lattice but not a complete lattice. Fifth question that is how many ways a G member team can be formed having 3 men and 3 women from a group of 6 men and 7 women. Here I have written the solution already. I have solved this problem that is we have to pick only 3 men from 6 available men as well as 3 ladies from the 7 available ladies. So the required number of ways is 6C3 and it should be multiplied with 7C3. Therefore the answer is 700, that is option A is the right answer. Next is the sixth question. What is the induction hypothesis assumption for the inequality m factorial which is greater than 2 to the power m where m is greater than or equal to 4? Here the correct option is B for m is equal to k and k factorial is greater than 2k wholes. That is the correct answer. So going to the next question. Question number 7. The cardinality of the power set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is, here the cardinality is nothing but it is the set S defined as total number of distinct item in that set, and this is the formula that is 2 to the power n. Here n is 7 because there is 0 to 6 numbers, n is 7, 2 to the power n is 128. So the correct answer is C, option C, 128. The next question is 8th one. The sum of minterm of Boolean function f of a comma b comma c is equal to ab plus c is, that is summation A is the answer, summation 1, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Next, 9th question. Which of the following is the correct for gate D type flip-flop? That is answer is the Q output is either set or reset as soon as the D input goes high or low. Option A is the right answer. 10th one, the hexadecimal equivalent. So here this is a problem based question, hexadecimal data interpretation type 1. So that is 690.625 base 10. So here we have to convert the decimal to the hexadecimal and the answer is 2B2.A. Next, moving on to the 11th question. The instruction used to transfer the memory word specified by the effective address to AC is, answer is LDA, that is option A is the right answer. So next one is the average time required to reach a storage location in the memory and obtain its content is called as, that is access time. It is nothing but access time. And next question is 13th one. Which of the following statement is not correct? Here there are 4 options which are correct, out of these three are correct, and the fourth one is not correct statement. That is, CISC has more number of general purpose registers. Usually RISC has more number of general purpose register when compared to CISC. So this is the false statement. D is the correct answer. Next is 14th question. The remainder of DIV operation is stored in dash register. Which register is that? Is the answer is EDX register. That is option D is the correct answer. So next, moving to the 15th question. The 15th question is, which of the following instruction is not a valid register addressing mode? And in this question I am having doubt with two answers, but most appropriate is D, that is move A, C. And next question, 16th one is, which of the following is the correct statement? Here there are four statements. Out of these, it is only the correct statement is option B. That is, the isolated IO method isolates memory and that is IO operation addresses so that memory address range to not affected by interface address assignment. So B is the right option or right answer. Next, moving to the 17th question. In 8086, the example for non-maskable interrupt is, that is, it is a direct question and the answer is trap. Next, 18th question. A microprogram sequencer. What is a microprogram sequencer? It is a sequentially averages all the micro instructions in the control memory. So this is nothing but what it does. It is a option A is the right answer. So these are the wrong options. Next is 19th. A decoder is required in case of. So why we need a decoder? That is in the vertical micro constructions. So decoder is always required in case of the vertical micro construction and not in all this. So option A is the correct answer. 20th question. The sign flag and parity flag content after execution of this following sequence of instructions. So this is a microprocessor code, and here after execution of these instructions, what will be the sign flag and parity flag is the answer. So even in this question I am having doubt with A and as well as B, so I don't know the correct solution. So next, moving on to the 21st question. The target of an assignment statement should be. What should be the target of assignment statement? It should be a L value. Always the target of an assignment statement is a L value. Next, 22nd question. If an integer needs 4 bytes of storage, then the maximum value of an unsigned integer is, that is 2 to the power 32 minus 1. Option A is the right answer. The bitwise, 23rd question, bitwise operator to turn on a bit of an integer is exclusive, or B is the right answer. And the output of this statement, so even in this question I have a few doubts regarding, so I am not sure regarding the 24th question. Next, moving on to the 25th question. This must be a compilation error, so option B. Next, 26th, the bitwise operator which determines whether an integer is even or odd, that is, the answer is option B, bitwise AND. 27th question, here again we have a following segment and the value which is asked FP plus 5, it should be the answer C, 1020. Next, 28th question, in the following segment, see what this Cout displays. So it displays 40, that is option B. So next, moving on to the 29th question. The static member functions can manipulate on. Here the answer is it can manipulate only the static member. So option A is the right answer. In 30th question, here what is the given program, we should find the output. So appropriate output is option D, 20, 10. So that is the output, that is value of A and B, 20 and 10 is the right answer. Next, 31st question, again 31st question is based on the program series, and here we have to find the output for the following, and the option D, compilation error, is the correct answer. Next is 32nd question. 32nd question is, in an object-oriented programming, communication among objects takes place through, that is, message passing system. 33, in the statement public static void main of string, yes, that is array, string array, the keyword static specifies main method does not require an object of its enclosing class. A is the right answer. Next, moving to the 34th question, the number of copies of static member that is created is, usually there will be only one copy, so answer is the option A. The result of applet code can be displayed using which method? That is paint method. Option D is the right answer. 36. A circle, if scaled only in one dimension, it becomes C. Ellipse is the right answer. Which of the following points lie on the same side as the origin with reference to the line 5x plus 3y is equal to 4? The option is D. Minus 2, 5 is the right answer. Next, the aspect ratio of the raster system using 2 into 10 inches, 2 by 10 inches screen and 100 pixel per inch is, usually the aspect ratio can be find using this formula width by height. So there are 100 pixel per inch, so we are multiplying on both sides, we will get 4 by 5, that is 4:5 is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. The area sampling is also known as, it is also known as pre-filtering. Option A is the right answer. 40th one, which of the following scenarios may lead to an irrecoverable error in the database system? Usually the transaction read a data item after it is written by unconditional transaction. So D is the right answer. So this D option, whatever happens, if this happens, then Next, moving to the 40th question, which of the following scenarios may lead to an irrecoverable error in the database system? Usually, irrecoverable error arises when the transaction read a data item after it is written by uncommitted transaction. So, option D is the right answer. Next, moving to 41, question number 41. Here we have to match the following. Entire scenario is given here, 4 options, and other 4 options are on the right side. So we have to match them. So B is the right answer. Next, choose the correct order of this select statement. So where, group by, having. Option A is the right answer. 43rd question. Except in SQL is an analogous to, so difference operator of relational algebra. Option B is the right answer. The 3-tier architecture includes, so what it includes? It includes a client layer, single client layer and 2 server layers. So a client layer and 2 server layer. Option B is the right answer. Which of the following act as a key to the GIS? So GIS system, usually the topology. Option D is the right answer. It acts as a key to GIS. Next, 46th question. A goal of data mining includes, what it includes? To explain some observed events or the condition. Option A is the right answer. Next, moving on to the 47th question. The process of viewing the cross tab, that is single dimensional, with a fixed value in one attribute is option A as well as B, that is slicing and dicing. Both are correct. So both A and B. Option D is the right answer. Next is sequence of 0 or more characters enclosed by single quotes is called as string literals. So string literals is the correct answer. Next, 49th question. Which of the following is designed to control the operation of the computer? So computer operations are usually controlled by the system software. So option A is the right answer. 5th question is, an interpreter is, what is interpreter? That is option B is the right answer. It is a program that appears to execute a source program as if it is a machine language program. So option B is the right answer. Next, moving on to the 51. So question number 51. A memory bus is used for communication between. It is used for communication between the processor and memory. So option C is the correct answer. Next, 52nd question. A CPU scheduling algorithm determines an order for execution of its scheduled process. Given K processes should be scheduled on one processor, and how many different schedules are possible? So if processes should be scheduled in one processor, then how many different schedules are possible? That is the answer question. So how many possible different schedules are possible is, that is K factorial. Here K process is scheduled on one processor. So how many different schedules are possible? That is K factorial is the right answer. Next, 53rd question. A CPU generates 32-bit virtual addresses. The page size is 4 KB, and here page size is given 4 KB, and the processor has a translation looks aside buffer, that is TLB, which can hold a total page of 128 page table entries in and is a 4-way set associative. So the minimum, what is the minimum size of the page in the TLB tag? That is the question. So answer is 15 bits. So now I will show you the solution. Next, moving on to the 54th question. Here an operating system. Here this is a question regarding the Banker's algorithm deadlock avoidance method. Here the question is, which one of the following is true? So regarding this tabular chart, there is a question, which of the following is true, and the option is B, only REQ2 can be permitted. Next is 55. A multi-level page table is preferred in comparison to a single level page table for translation virtual address to physical address, because option B is the right answer. It helps to reduce the size of the page table needed to implement the virtual address space of a process. Next, 56th question. Which of the following command will create a soft link? So option A, that is here the symbol, it should start with yes. So yes, whatever start with S, that is the correct answer. So option A is the right answer. 57. Software project management comprises of the number of activities which does not contain these software management usually comprises of all this step, but it does not contain hardware maintenance. So that is D is the right answer. 58th question. If then else, case, switch, while, do and for statement are also called. What it is called? It is called as control structure. So option D is the right answer. Next, moving 59th question. Which of these steps is not included in requirement engineering process? So software maintenance, it is not included in the requirement engineering process. So D is the correct answer. 60th question. Efficiency in a software product does not include. What it does not include? It does not include any licensing. So option B is the right answer. Here the next question is, arrange the following steps. So we have to arrange the sequence: test, design, install, specification, manufacturing and maintain. So B is the correct sequence, that is specification. First we have to write we have to specify what is the problem or what is the software problem. Next we have to design. After requirement specification is done, we have to design them, and after designing we have to manufacture it. So after manufacture, what we are doing is we have to test. So before giving to the customer, we have to test whether it works or meets our requirement, whether it works correctly or whether it meets our requirement, and then we are installing these software in the customer system, and then we will provide a maintenance. So B is the right answer. Next is the 62nd question. Cost of error correction is at least at requirement analysis stage. So it will be least at which stage? These error correction will be least at requirement analysis stage. So in the initial stage, error correction is always easier. So requirement analysis stage, since it is a first stage when compared to all these stages, option D is the right answer. 63rd question, give two sorted list of in the given two sorted list of size 5 and 6 respectively, number of comparisons needed in worst case by merge sort algorithm. So answer is m plus n minus 1, that is 10. C is the right answer. 64th question, linear search time in the unsuccessful search on a list n values, that is option B is the right answer, n. 65, the number of edges in a complete graph with n vertices is, option C is the right answer, that is n of n minus 1 divided by 2. Next, 66th question, breadth first search algorithm uses key and usually a graph, that is here the appropriate answer is B, that is Q. Next, 67th question, which of these following sorting algorithm is not an in-place sorting algorithm? So merge sort, it is not an in-place sorting algorithm. So next, moving on to the 68th question, the solution for the recurrence relation m of n that is equal to 7m of n by 2 for n greater than 1. M of 1 is equal to 1 is, answer is the log n, option E is the right answer. Given a list of integers, the brute force way of finding whether the values in the list are unique or not results in the efficiency class n to the power 2, that is option E is the right answer. And here we have to find which algorithm is the right answer. 17th question. So 70th, the length of all pairs shortest path of a weighted connected graph can be found using. So using Freud's algorithm we can find this the shortest path to all the pair which is we are connecting to the all the graph, that is Freud's algorithm, option B is the right answer. 71st question, the language which is generated, here there is a language generated by grammar, and here the alphabet A comma B is a set of what it is a set of all odd length palindromes, option C is the right answer. Next, 72nd, the language accepted by finite automata is, that is regular language is only these finite state automata usually accept only this regular language. So regular B is the right answer. 73rd question, here there is a expression of grammar. Here we have given three statement, that is expression, and question is which one of the following is true. Here which of these following is true, that is minus sign has higher precedence than star. So option B is the right answer. Next, 74, in a computer keywords of a language in a compiler, the keywords of a language are recognized during the lexical analysis of a program. So option C is the right answer. 75, when a computer is first turned on or restarted, a special type of absolute loader is executed, and that is called as bootstrap loader. So C is the right answer. Next, 76th question. Melee and Moore machine can be categorized as, these are Turing machines. So option C is the right answer. The appropriate precedence order of operations over a regular language is usually clean, dot and union. So option C is the right answer. Next, 78th question. What is the baud rate of digital signal? Here we have to calculate the baud rate. So based on the data, that is 1 kbps. So that answer is 1000 BAUD. That is option B is the right answer. Next, 79th one, an 8-bit binary code. Here the binary value is asked after encoding. So I have not got the solution for this answer, and I assume that this is probably it is a grace question, because there is no correct answer for this encoding value. So whatever option given, 4 option, usually we don't get these options after encoding this value. So this might be a grace question. So next is what is the major factor that makes coaxial cable less susceptible to noise than twisted pair cable? So outdoor conductor, option C is the right answer. 81, in pure aloha, the maximum throughput occurs at G is equal to, that is 0.5, and here usually 18 point something. So approximately we have the answer option E, 0.5, 18%. Option E is the right answer. 82nd question, in which type of signaling a bit, n bit is set to the in a packet moving in a direction opposite to the congestion. So opposite to the congestion, usually this backward signaling does its packet moving in the direction opposite to the congestion. So option A is the right answer. 83rd question, the maximum sender and receiver window size of data transmission using selective repeat protocol with 5-bit frame sequence number is, option D is the right answer, that is maximum sender as well as receiver window size will be 16 by 16. So next, moving on to the next question, that is 84th question. IPv6 protocol. Here this is based on IPv6 protocol. Multicast addresses uses which type of prefix? So FF00 #/8 is the right answer, option E. 85th question, which method provides one-time key session for two parties? Only this Diffie-Hellman method, this provides, option A is the right answer, which provides only one-time key session for both the parties. Next is, the GSM network is divided into which of the following three major systems? That is SS, BSS and OSS. Option A is the right answer. 87th question, the line of sight communication requires transmit as well as receive antenna which faces each other, and as well as if the transmit antenna is vertically polarized for best reception, the receiver antenna it should also be a vertically polarized. So if the transmitter antenna is vertically polarized for the best reception, we should also vertically polarize this receiver antenna. So option B is the right answer. Next, 88th question, a system uses 8-bit checksum method for error detection. So here they have given the code. If the data unit transmitted in hexadecimal is 72A0, then checksum value in hexadecimal they have asked. So it must be actually EE, but there is no option. So this might also be a grace question. Which of the following protocol pairs can be used to send and receive the email in that order? So that is SMTP and POP3. So B is the correct option. Next, 90th question, the set of all recursively enumerable languages, option B is the right answer, closed under intersection. 91st, state space can be defined as representing problem within the variable and parameter. So option A is the correct answer. Next, 92nd question, the process that is repeated, evaluated and refined, it is known as iterative method. So in iterative method, we will repeat again and again, we will evaluate it and we will refine the solution or whatever results generated. So option D is the right answer. 93rd one, predict the logic. So here we have given for all x belongs to y, loyal to x comma y. Here option A is the right answer. The predicate logic is everyone is loyal to someone. Next, 94th question, the Cray, XMP, IBM 3090 and connection machines can be characterized as, so these all togetherly can be characterized as SIMD. So option B is the correct answer. 95th one, the output of an lexical analyzer is token. So option D is stream of token. It can also be called as a stream of token. Option D is the right answer. 96th question, computer controlled machine that mimic the motor activity of living things. So what animates? Usually robots are the right answer. Usually these robots, they will mimic the motor activity of living things. So option B is the right answer. 97th question, the independent variable of fuzzy output is known as maturity. Option A. 98th question, so regular expressions are also called as type 0 language. So option A is the right answer. In the 99th question here again I didn't get a particular correct answer for this, so this I am leaving this question. And the last question is 101, that is, while applying a pumping lemn over a language, we consider n string W that belongs to L and fragment it into how many parts? That is 3 parts is the right answer. So I hope I have given all the correct answers. I have tried giving all the correct answers for the computer science paper, that is second paper. So thank you for watching. Keep watching our channel for further examination preparations and as well as all the key answers. Thank you.